Newbie ka ba sa low carb baking? Kung bago ka pa lang, no, na sisimula ka pa lang sa low carb baking, this is my Bake Smart tip for you today. Okay? First and foremost, read the recipe. Yung ating low carb recipe, kailangan basahin mo siya ng kumpleto from start to finish. And then plan your baking in advance. Hindi yung basta dire-diretso ka na lang. What do I mean by planning your baking? First, prepare the pan. Okay? Prepare your molds. Ano yung nakalagay sa recipe? Second, prepare all the ingredients, no? Meaning, kailangan kung ano nakalagay dyan, dry and wet ingredients, imbis and mo muna, ilagay mo muna siya sa mga lagayan with the proper measurement. And then third, of course, no? Ano yung steps or procedures na nasa recipe? You don't mix all the dry right away. You don't mix all the wet right away. Sometimes in the procedure, nakalagay dyan, whisk first or cream first your butter and sugar. Minsan naman, whisk first your eggs. So, kailangan talaga for newbies, you really have to read the procedure step by step. Kasi wala tayong gluten, wala tayong pampaalsa. It's the procedure that will help form the structure, no, and texture of your baked goodies. Okay, so as a newbie, it's very important. Plan in advance, organize everything, read your recipes, and before getting started, make sure you understand the written recipe.